Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on ALCATEL 1B 2022. So if you have a problem with the Bluetooth gadget, start all the way from the simplest way. Just switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. You can also try to restart your phone. It's obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works, so just try it. At the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory has activated pair mode, and how to activate pair mode you will find the manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory shall be visible for other devices. But it's still not for your phone. Let's open the settings, swipe down to the system and select the reset. Now choose the network settings, tap on the reset settings and tap on this button again. After that, look again for your device on the Bluetooth list. You can also try to update your system, so you have to open the system update. If you have any, just install it and check for your device again on the Bluetooth list. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.